Ever wondered about the charm and benefits of succulents? These unique beauties, with their variety and low maintenance, are perfect additions for both indoors and outdoors. They're not just visually appealing, but they also enhance air quality, providing a breath of nature. But how do you care for and propagate these beautiful plants? Let's find out. Caring for succulents is surprisingly easy once you know the basics. These charming plants thrive in sunlight, so find them a bright spot. As for water, less is more. Overwatering is a common pitfall, but you can avoid it by waiting until the soil is completely dry before watering again. The soil itself should be well draining, and the pot should have drainage holes to prevent water from pooling. With these simple steps, your succulents can flourish. Now that you know how to care for your succulents, let's move on to propagation. Propagating succulents is a fun and rewarding process. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First, pick a healthy leaf from your succulent. Be gentle and make sure the leaf comes off clean. Now give it some time to dry. This could take a few days, but it's an important step as it allows the leaf to form a callus, preventing infection. Once dry, place your leaf on top of well-draining soil. Remember, no need to bury it, just let it rest there. Now, the waiting game begins. Over the next few weeks, keep the soil slightly moist and watch as tiny roots start to grow from the end of your leaf. Patience is key here, so don't rush the process. With these simple steps, you can easily multiply your succulent collection. Succulents truly are a joy to care for and propagate. Their resilience and diversity make them a fantastic addition to any space. Today, we've walked through essential care tips, from watering to sunlight needs, and delved into the satisfying world of succulent propagation. These unique plants not only enhance your surroundings with their beauty and variety, but they also offer a rewarding gardening experience. Enjoy your succulent journey. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!